just walking around and checking out the mulberries to see if any have started to wake up. And this is the 5th of February. Everything was of the Morus Rubra hybrids was totally dormant 3 days ago. And so today it looks like that what I believe is the real Shangri-La is just starting to wake. Most of it's still dormant with a few bud breaks. And then as I was looking at others that I've gotten all over Florida, old Rubra hybrids, this one is waking, starting to fruit. I have one here, still completely dormant. So, you know, I'm trying to figure out if they're all Tice, and I believe they're probably seedlings, and so there will be some differences. This one is still dormant. Peaches are starting to bloom. And then this one here is a really tall, big one. And I was going to say that it was still dormant. Mostly it is, but I also see some bud breaking on it. And then I thought for sure that Tice was still dormant, but nope, it is breaking bud and starting to fruit all over the place. And Delightful is just starting to wake. This is Delightful. Huge, delicious mulberry, very similar to Tice. I still haven't decided for sure if they are the same or if this one has a little bit larger berry, but it could be the tree was older, you know. But so far, this one, Delightful, tastes identical, but has a larger berry even. This is also Delightful, just starting to wake. And here is Tice. I have 2 huge trees, and it is waking and fruiting. And this fruit is a good 1.5 inches, sometimes 2 inches, fat, juicy, and one of the best tasting mulberries you're gonna find. Just delicious. So it is waking also. And so I only have maybe 3 or 4 different Rubra hybrids out of about 10 that are completely dormant still. And let's go over here and take a look at Lakeland Tropical. Lakeland Tropical is also dormant. I would say I don't see any new buds breaking. It's got a little bit of fruit still on it, but it's pretty much dormant everywhere except a few limbs, that I cut, so it just started to fruit a little bit, but it's not growing. So no, it's still dormant. And this thing is going to be absolutely, completely loaded when it wakes. And I love it that the birds can get in the fruit. There's so much fruit, they can just tear it up and enjoy the berries, and it doesn't even affect how many we get. Love mulberries so much. Cannot wait for the springtime. So much fun to pig out on the delicious mulberries. And then peaches. Peaches are loving our cool weather. Looks like we're gonna have a bumper crop of peaches, and hopefully, like last year, we enjoyed peaches and we didn't have the bugs in them. The year before, we did not get 1 peach out of 50 or 100. I would say not one peach was not just eaten up with bugs from the inside out. I don't spray. Nah, if I can't figure it out naturally, then the bugs just get them, or I won't have them, because I am not a fan of spray pesticides. All right, have a great day. Plant lots of fruit trees. Central Florida's on 9B, and we get about 100 chill hours. This year, I'd say a good 300.